How to post threads on X or Twitter with n8n. In order to do that, first head over to your n8n workflow and click on the this plus icon that we can see right here. Once we're there, the next thing we need to do is to just head over and click on the this node and search for X. You can also search for Twitter. Here it is right here. Once you have clicked on that, you can just choose right here the option to post. So let's choose right here this create tweet. So this will post a thread directly. So in this case, just choose in here the credential that you want. Choose in here the resource is tweet or direct message or anything you want right there. Operation is creation. For the text, you can just execute previous nodes in order to add right here the node that you want for the actual tweet or data that you want to compile. Once you have done that, you can execute this step in order to make this happen. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.